Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new day. It is Friday morning and we have snow going outside. It snowed overnight, couple inches already out there, probably about 3 inches out there. We're supposed to get snow all day long. So after I eat breakfast, I'll be going outside to stay caught up on some shoveling. So yeah, I'm making French toast for breakfast. We haven't had this in a long time. So I just have 1 egg in here. I'm going to throw a 1/4 cup of milk. And I'm going to use a tablespoon of cinnamon sugar mix. That way I don't have to put separate cinnamon and separate sugar. So got that. And I'm just going to mix that up. I'm going to heat up my griddle to 400. Yeah, I was going to say it's Saturday. For some reason I thought it was Saturday, but it's Friday. And we're supposed to have snow all day and I think all the way through Saturday afternoon. And it's going to be windy. Alright, so I'm going to throw some butter on here. Just going to dip my bread. And 1 egg, 1/4 cup of milk, barely enough for 4 slices. So if we want more, I'll just make some more batter. All right, so there's our breakfast on this Friday morning, and I will see you outside. Hey everyone, so we ate our French toast and it was good. So I'm outside now, gonna try to keep up with the shoveling. So I'm not even wearing my glasses because they would just get all wet and fogged up. So it is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, it started snowing last night, during the night. We woke up this morning to about 2 to 3 inches, and it's supposed to snow all day long, non-stop, till 2 in the morning about. So I'm gonna try to shovel once an hour to try to keep up. That way it's not so heavy for me all at once. So yeah, here I go, and let's get the first hour in. So it is windy too. It's like 24-mile-per-hour winds. For the next 3 or 4 days it's supposed to be blustery winds. Then Sunday through Tuesday, sub-zero temperatures. So I want to make sure I get this shoveled up. So let's get to it. Actually, first thing I did when I got out here is brush the snow off the bird feeder because my poor birds are trying to get to the food, and there was about 4 inches of snow on there. so they should be able to eat now. Yeah, I think I'll probably throw some bread out for the squirrels in case they come out. But yeah, I got to get to it, cover my hands because they're already getting cold. All right, so there's my footprint. So it kind of gives you an idea of how deep the snow is already. Okay, everyone, so I've just been shoveling for a little bit. I'll show you, I just shoveled our little sidewalk path in the driveway that is alongside of our truck. And I'm in the front of the truck, the front part of our driveway. I'm going to try to get the edge of the driveway before the snow plows come and make a big snow hill for me. So that's the really big part I want to keep up with. I usually have the neighbor over here next to us over here has a little snow plow on like an ATV. It's bigger than an ATV, and our neighbor across the street, he came the other night and snow blowed the front part with me, so that was a big help, so I appreciate that. The neighbor the other night when it snowed overnight, before I had a chance to get out here, the neighbor with the snow plow plowed the big area where the snow plows make a big hill on the end of our driveway. So I'm very grateful for that. But yeah, I'll just show you what I did because I'm going to get back to it. Okay, so I just did this path. It goes to our sidewalk over there. Over here. You see our door, we have a little sidewalk right there. I shoveled that, and then the path to the front of the driveway here. Right now I'm just taking a few minutes break. It's all about taking a break and taking it slow. That way I don't overexert myself. But that's the front of the truck there, and then our driveway. It's all white, so you can't really see it, but our driveway is somewhere, the end of our driveway is somewhere over there. So I'm going to get back to it and I'll keep you updated. Okay, everyone, so just as I got back to it, I shoveled the path to the end of our driveway. So let me get back so you can see. From the truck to right here is the end of our driveway. Just as I started doing that, you can see all this is done with a snowplow, not me. Our neighbor to the house over there, he just came out to keep up with his snow as well, and came and plowed all this snow off our driveway. So I appreciate that so much. I don't ask anybody to do that for me. They just do it. So I'm very thankful for that. It makes it easier on me. So I might have to bake some desserts to give to our neighbors. So I really appreciate it. I'm going to get back to shoveling this little bit and then go shovel by the driveway. So, all right, I'll keep you posted. Okay, so I got the front part done with the help of my neighbor. I shoveled the area for our garbage and recycle bins for garbage day. I always want to have an area for that, and the snow is just beating me in the face right now. I went across the street and shoveled an area for our mailman to get clearly through. Just want to make sure he's got a spot. I always think about your mailman. So now this is to the back part of our garage. You see our garage there, and I got to do that. So you can see the snow is already starting to accumulate again. So I got to get that done. I'm going to take a little breather right now and probably get a drink. When I go in the house after I'm done, I think it's tea time. I normally would take a shower just so I don't get chilled, because I will get chilled once I get in the house. But I'm going to be back out here so many times today, I think. It doesn't pay to take a shower right now, so I'll drink some tea and try to stay warm. And yeah, it is a beauty though. Winter Wonderland. All right, so stay tuned. I'll get back to you. Alright everyone, so shoveled my path to the garage, shoveled all back there. I shoveled the path to go to the backyard, shoveled this sidewalk that goes to the backyard also. One reason for that is one, I gotta get to the backyard to feed my birds and the squirrels, and two, on garbage day I need a path to bring those cans out. So alright everyone, so we are having lunch on this Friday afternoon, and we're having corn dogs. Alright everyone, so here is our dinner for this Friday night, just French dip sliders. Got my au jus sauce there, so that's what we're having Friday night. And we cooked it just in time because I think we may lose power. It's flickering, so alright, stay tuned for whatever comes on Saturday. Hey everyone, so welcome to Saturday. I keep thinking it's Sunday, but it is Saturday. It's the day after our snowfall. It is sunny now, stopped snowing, but it left an impact. By 9 o'clock this morning, our totals here in our area was 12 inches. And now it's almost 2 o'clock and I'm barely getting out to shovel because I got up, I cooked breakfast, we ate breakfast, then I cleaned up a little bit, and then I got the slow cooker beef stew going, so that took a while. And then I just had a little snack before I came out, just to get something in me. And now I'm going to shovel. It's cold outside. The real feel is like 7 degrees out right now, so I'm not going to talk too long so I can put my gloves on. But Glenn and I both agreed that if it's too hard to shovel, then don't even worry about it. It's not worth ending up in the hospital for or dying. So, alright, so I'm going to give it a whirl now and see how we do. Alright everyone, so as you can see, it's all done here. And it wasn't by me for sure. I'm so appreciative of my neighbors. A third neighbor came. He was outside when I came outside to shovel the very iced, frozen, packed snowbank that was in our driveway. And I was just shoveling it a little bit at a time, and he happened to be outside and he saw me. And he grabbed his snowblower and snowblowed the whole driveway, the front, both sides, all the way around the trailer and over there. I just shoveled off the garage door, but he did a couple passes all the way through. But this tells you how frozen this snow is. It's all packed in, but that's okay. He got what needed to get done, and I'm so appreciative. I was so worried about what I was going to do. I've got the truck running right now because I scraped what I could off the truck, but it's frozen on there. Our real feel right now is almost 0, and luckily there's no wind right now. So, but the sun is shining bright. You can see all the icicles here. Look at all the snow here, and it's nothing I would be able to shovel. It's so iced and packed, it's unreal. So I don't even, if you remember yesterday, I shoveled the path to the backyard over here, and now it's gone. And look how high it is. There's no way I'm going to be able to shovel that. So, but that's okay. He shoveled the path over here so I can walk around. But I'm going to go again dump the snow off the bird feeders so the birds can eat. But yeah, last night when I brought Gypsy out about midnight, the whole side of the house was white from the snow. You could see some of it still on there, but the whole, all of this, the vintage saw, everything was white from the snow. But I just wanted to show you guys. So our sidewalk, it's all packed in. I don't know if I mentioned this already, but when I brought Gypsy out last night, I went to go open that door. And I couldn't get it open. There was so much snow up against the door. So yeah, I had to push it open a little bit, leave Gypsy in the house, bring the shovel out and shovel some snow off of here so we could get out. So, but we literally could not get out last night. So, all right, I think I screwed up. This thing is so frozen right now. I was putting a newspaper there and I forgot to put it in there before I came out, so I'm gonna have to warm that up. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna go for now. Okay, I got that open. All I did was take the bottom, the ice scraper part for this ice scraper that goes in the truck, and I just pounded that a couple of times and it broke it loose. So yeah, everything's iced closed right now. Okay, so yeah, I keep this, instead of keeping it in the truck, I keep it in our house in the hallway. That way I can grab it right away and brush the truck off without having to swipe dirt or swipe snow off the truck and then grabbing it. So all right, my fingers are froze now. I'm gonna see if I can get a couple pictures, and I'll see you guys later. Gypsy, look at mama. Look at mama. Gypsy, look up. Gypsy. Hey, look at mama. Gypsy, look at mama. Look, up here. Get up there. Okay? And that is going to be it for the outside of this weekend snowstorm. You can see how thick we are here. So again, we had 12 inches and some wind. All right, so I guess the next thing is supper, and that won't be for a while. So I think I'm going to go ahead and close this video out now for this weekend winter storm vlog, this snowstorm. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch it. I appreciate all your support. And with that, remember to live life, be good to yourself, and be good to others. Until next time.